This is the headstone of Lord and Lady Redesdale, or the parents of the Mitford sisters, otherwise known as David Freeman Mitford and Sydney Bowles Mitford. Now there's a reason why their headstone is positioned here, and because it's opposite the War Memorial. In particular, there is a engraving dedicated to their only son, who died in the Far East fighting the Japanese in 1945, Thomas Freeman Mitford. So the parents are buried in this lovely village of Swinbrook, where they lived in various houses. Pamela Jackson, née Mitford, 1907-1994, a valiant heart. Maddow Stewart, cousin of the Mitford family. Now we're going off to see three of the sisters, but first we look at the lovely Swinbrook Church, exceptionally interesting inside, with monuments to the Mitfords and to the Fetty Place family, the famous Fetty Place statues. Here we're coming across to three of more sisters. On the end here we have Nancy, the eldest. She was an author, well-known author, and it's hard to see, but there's a mole emblem there, which she used for her books. Born 1904. Next to her is the unfortunate and controversial Unity Mitford, who died eventually of her suicide attempt from the bullet that they could never remove from her brain. And then the third sister, the very pretty Diana Mitford, who married the leader of the British fascists and remained controversial to the end of her life. And here's one of the descendants, Alexander Mosley. So we're in the lovely village of Swinbrook, which is worth visiting all on its own.